Hi, wanna know how to set screen lock pattern on your Realme 12X? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone, which are usually located in the app drawer. Here, as a next step, we would need to scroll down until we will find this tab which is named Security and Privacy. Here is it how this tab looks. So, click on it and here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Device Unlock. As you can see, currently we have none, so let's set a pattern. We would need to click on it. Here, scroll down and click on the Screen Lock tab. Here, as you can see, we got some different types of screen lock, which can be numeric from 4 to 16 digits of numbers, alphanumeric, which can have in it combo of letters and numbers, also from 4 to 16 digits, and also pattern, which is 9 dots, where we need to draw a combination at least of 4 dots. So let's choose the pattern. And here you can see the important notice that you cannot forget your password, or you would need to do a factory reset, which will erase all of the data from your phone to unlock your phone again. So here we click continue, and as you can see here, we now need to draw lock pattern and we need to connect at least 4 dots. So for example, I'll do it like this. And now, as you can see, we would need to draw the lock pattern again, but you also need to remember in the order which you're connecting the dots. For example, if I'll connect them at the same figure but in the different order, this won't be acceptable. So we would need to do it in the same order. Now let's do it once more. And this is it. As you can see, we have successfully set our pattern password, and now let's test it. I'll turn off my phone. Now turn it on, then swipe up, and here we would need to draw our pattern to unlock our phone. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.